These are the 5 best sites to get assets for your floor plans or scene renders so that you can make images like this one in minutes. I'm Dude Blender and let's jump right in. Number 5. BlendSwap. This is the website for beginner Blender artists, or if you're set on going on zero budget, as everything is free under the Creative Commons license. You can of course donate or subscribe, which will give you additional benefits. Whenever I'm planning to put my tutorial files up for sale, I'll most likely use assets from this website that have the CC0 license so that I can have as much freedom as possible. Having said that, I would say that at least 60% of the models you'll find here are not even usable for professional work at all. Maybe 30% are usable with some tweaking, and only around 10% are good enough that they can be used as they are. It made it to the list because it will indeed be a source for people that don't want to spend any money at all, and for the fact that all of the assets are in the .blend file format, so everything works in Blender, but steer clear of this site if you're doing client work. Number 4. CG Trader. This is probably my favorite platform as the quality of the assets is in most cases quite high, and the paid assets are almost guaranteed to be excellent quality. You do get a limit on how many free assets you can download, but you can get more credits if you upload your own models. I mean, look at this, there's no way that this is free, right? But it is. You can download full scenes like this one and just use whatever you need. They have sections to make it easier and faster to find what you need. The library is huge and you're all but guaranteed to find exactly what you're looking for. Keep in mind that this is not a Blender exclusive website, so sometimes you'll find the perfect asset and then you'll see that there's no Blender file format. Now if this happens, there's usually an FBX or OBJ file and you can import that into Blender. Sometimes you'll have to set up the materials manually, but that's okay if you got the exact asset that you were looking for. The prices for the paid assets are usually very reasonable. Now if for some reason you don't find what you're looking for, you can post your project to hire a freelance artist to make it for you. The only reason why CG Trader is not higher up on the list is that it has no add-on to work directly within Blender. Number 3. PolyHaven. PolyHaven is a great place, if not the best place, to find HDRIs, and for some reason they're all free. Everything is very well organized in categories, so finding what you need is always a breeze. Once you find what you're looking for, you can download the file of the resolution that you need, usually from 1 to 16K, but some of the assets go well beyond that. So if you ever need something to look at through the windows of your model, these assets got you covered. I only give it 4 out of 5 because the materials library is very modest and not at the quality level of others in the list. But if you use it only for HDRIs like I do, then it's definitely a 5 out of 5. Number 2. Blender Kit. This one is a must-have. The whole library is made for Blender and it's quite substantial. Also, a third of the models are free, as well as most of the materials. Even the free assets tend to be high quality, so you really don't waste too much of your time browsing through the library. If you want to unlock the full library, you'll only need to spend $9 per month for the subscription. You'll literally earn the year's worth back with 1 or 2 projects, so if you're doing any professional work, just go ahead and subscribe. It's a no-brainer. The best thing is the add-on that allows you to search and import directly inside Blender. Before jumping to the number 1, I want to mention a few sites that you might have heard of or are using but didn't make it to the top 5. TurboSquid. The prices here are extremely high and the models are not even that great. You can easily find the same quality or even better for less money in the other websites on the list. I also find the site frustrating and buggy to use. Free3D. First of all, not everything is free, so I feel betrayed by the name. And second, even the paid assets often look like they should be free. You'll have a hard time finding anything at all. Blender Market. This one probably should have been on the list. It's got really good quality assets and you can find some excellent prices. The amount of free assets that they have is tiny and they don't have an add-on to import the files directly in Blender, which makes no sense at all because they sell add-ons in their website. Definitely check this one out. Blender Nation. This one has a very cool concept where they talk a lot about the artists, which I like, but if you're looking for a Nordic style sofa and have to deliver your work tomorrow, this is not the place to be. Blender.org, the Blender website. Here you can actually find quite a a few assets if you go into the demo files. In fact, I remember perfectly that the wood material in this scene was the first I ever got from a website back when I was in the mood of trying to do everything myself. Of course, you'll find a lot of things here, although probably not necessarily what you're looking for. And number 1, from the Blender guru himself, Enterprise, we have Polygon. The reason why this is objectively the best place to find high quality assets is that it's not a marketplace. Every asset here is made by a professional artist within the Polygon team with the highest quality standards, so anything you get is guaranteed to be an excellent product and will look as close as possible to the real-life object. This is a render of a sofa on their library, one of the free assets that they have, and this is the website of the maker of that sofa, so with these two images you can compare the quality of the asset. Here's a crazy close-up on the material and the texture of the stitching details. Of course, this level of realism will come at a cost in terms of file sizes, rendering time, and processing power, but you do get the option to download lower resolution textures depending on the scene that you're creating. The pricing model is subscription based and you get a specific number of assets each month. Of course, the more assets you get, the lower the price per asset, and any unused credits every month carry over to the next one. You can also download their add-on and work directly from Blender. You will definitely not get anything better for creating scene renders. As they say in their website, effortless 3D realism. Let me know in the comments if I missed your favorite website. I'm Dude Blender, happy blending.